Editor of Huiyen, Lanpao, Maibam, Dhanabir, commonly known as DNBR, BIR, was produced before the Chamber of Duty Magistrate, Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West last night and remanded to police custody for 3 days till January 7. Imphal West Police registered a case at Imphal Police Station under Section 153A, 5051, B 5052, 120B IPC and 31C32, 5D, 52, 53 of Official Secrets Act 1923 for publishing one column in his Manipuri daily newspaper Huiyen Lanpao, Manipur edition on 4 January 2024, reporting that the Special Commando at Mori requested to issue 50,000 ammunitions to perform their duties smoothly. The column further discloses all the secret details of the requisition made, including the different numbers of ammunitions required for the accused person, namely Maibam Dhanabir Meite, editor of Huiyen Lanpao, was arrested yesterday at 9:30 p.m. in connection with the above referred case. He was produced before the court of CGM Imphal West Duty Magistrate on last night and remanded into police custody till January 7th.